Button interactions, cursors. Let we test this movie. When we play like this, try to test this button. When we point over, that means, as in the previous lesson, it's coming inside the button. On mouse enter. When we enter the button, we can look to the different cursor shape. It's now changed to the finger. And when we click, it's coming to the closed hand to reflect. It's like to click the button or to catch it. When we release the mouse and keep inside the button area, it's coming back again to the finger cursor. And when we leave the buttons area, the cursor is changing again to the default arrow. These are different events or different actions that can apply with the cursor shape. And let's make this in our file. We can go to the file and to highlight our button and start to add the new behavior from this menu. In the Property Inspector Behavior tab, we can click the plus button and choose New Behavior. We can give a name for this button's behavior. I think we can give the name with the button's order. For example, button number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can name it but 5. And okay, here is our behavior created. After creating a behavior, we can go to the Code Behavior Inspector. In the Behavior Inspector tab, we can start to add different events, starting with the mouse enter. We can choose this event, then to go and add the action. The action will be cursor change. When mouse enter, it should change to a finger's shape, so as we can choose it. Okay. After, we can add another event. On mouse down means on click. On mouse down, the cursor can also change. It can change to the closed hand. Another event, on mouse up. When we release the mouse button, inside the buttons area, it can also return back to the finger's shape. And when the mouse leaves the button, it can return back to the default cursor's shape. The default cursor's shape is the arrow. Let's test our button. When we play, here is the button. The cursor is in the default arrow shape. When we enter the button, it changes to the finger's shape. When click, it's turned to the closed hand. When we release the mouse button inside the buttons area, comes back again to the finger. When the cursor leaves the buttons area, it turns back to the default arrow shape.